Welcome to another episode of renovating our 70s house into our dream suburban homestead. If you were with us last week, you know that video ended by saying that this week we are going to finish the bathroom. And I was telling the truth. Wait to the end of this video, or, skip ahead if you really can't wait to see some sick pans of our gorgeous, lightly styled bathroom. Can't believe that we're here. I'm very, very happy. We've still got so much work to do. Yeah, I can't believe it. Exactly the right amount of grout, and this thing works so well for getting into the little tiny cracks. It's a silicone applicator. This would have been very hard, all those tiny spaces. All right, we've got to go back and clean it out. Why did we get the plumbing installed before we had finished? We both got so excited. I'm gonna have to do some touch-ups along here.
No.
I know. That's right, I've got quite a few touch-ups to do. Do you want to do some of that? It's really satisfying.
Touch-ups? No.
No, the pulling off the paint. I'm gonna pull you off. Pulling off the paint. What am I talking about? Pulling off the tape. Did I say paint or tape?
Okay.
You knew what I meant. Can you tell if this is, I've wiped it so much as taking the red off, or if it's still dust?
Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking maybe just give it a whole coat.
Yeah.
Now it's all done and we've done in here.
Yeah.
I'd say give the whole thing a new coat.
Alrighty. If you say it's just permanent, then that's also fine.
Yeah, I don't want to end up.
I don't want to fuck around redoing that. Where's the tile? I'll show you how it's going to look. It's still crispy.
Yeah, let's leave it.
Alright. Last tile.
Yeah.
Mm.
Can you think of what needs doing?
As in an instruction for you?
Yeah. Overwhelmed by all the stuff that needs doing and can't really prioritise.
So the literal last tile in the box is also going to be the literal last tile put up here.
It's meant to be.
Fucking one of them had to be. Considering that I've incorrectly ordered every single tile, we are bowling.
100%.
want to have a quick sip of coffee before we do this?
Yeah.
I've got this. You can still shower by yourself downstairs. It's totally fine.
Yeah, the glass will be fine. Just got to be careful not to dink it on anything.
All right. Oh, it's just so pretty.
So I think if we carry it flat to here, then stand it up.
And then go through the doorway?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you go in first.
Okay. To here?
Yeah, lie on the cardboard.
You're going to come up to me?
Right, I don't want to put all the weight on that corner. Okay, rest it down. Can you see my top there? How far I am?
30. Oh, yep. We're going to have to go together. Let's go one push all the way. Lift your side a little tiny bit. Yep. Go. Yep. Yep, we're through the door. Yep. Yes. Well done.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Fuck, this looks so good. It's like a real bathroom. The level?
Yeah.
Level. Here we go. Oh, yeah? Do you want to approve?
Oh, yeah, she's good there.
Not too bad for a novice. Or two novices. Just as long as we're not drunk trying to get in the shower and hold onto the screen. Does it feel big in here now? Oh. It felt so small when I was tiling in here, and now it's freaking luxurious.
So much space.
So much room for activities. Well done.
Do you have an idea of how high you want this to be?
Was there a problem with the way it was?
It was just sat behind the tap. So I reckon like that much higher?
Just above the tap, yeah, that's nice.
Guide me a little bit.
I'll guide you in.
Tell me.
Down. Straight down. To your left. Yep, down. Yep, back and down. Yep. Oh, that was easy.
Gonna fucking judge it better myself. Does that look level? Looks a bit pissed out.
Yeah, that's better, isn't it?
Yeah. There you go. Okay, yes, that is. Hold on.
This is how the professionals do it, you reckon?
Yeah. It's micro adjustments.
Oh, fuck. No, fuck. Yeah, perfect. Alright, done?
Yeah. I do love how much light comes through that like opaque window.
It's beautiful too.
It's a very, very nice light.
Hey Danny, look at this fucking bathroom.
Ah, the one we just built?
We built this. Daniel. Let's go get a beer.
I think so.
I think that's going to be the least of our problems. You're so pretty. I was talking to myself.
But I can't get them to stay on one colour.
Aren't you an electrician?
I am.
You should know everything.
A shit one, clearly.
No. Hey, Danny.
Yeah.
What would you say if you were playing music in the garden?
What would I say if I was playing music in the garden?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let us turn up the beat.
Oh no. Oh no.
You love it.
That was one of your better ones, to be fair.
Is that saying much though?
I mean, the bar's pretty low.